Hey you guys, we have a birthday party in the house, so I am doing some food prep for tomorrow's birthday party. Summertime, I want everything to be nice and light, but I also want everything to be super easy too. So we're gonna do a sandwich bar. I'm gonna make some chicken salad to do chicken salad sandwiches. For the kids, we'll do ham and cheese sandwiches and some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But I'm also gonna do broccoli salad, macaroni salad, some fruit. I'll show you our whole spread, but let me get everything prepped and ready to go. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. And if you have a summer party coming up, these are some awesome recipes to use that you can make ahead of time. So I absolutely love that. Let's get going. So I'm going to prep up some chicken salad. So I have 2 rotisserie chickens, and you can use any kind of chicken that you like, but I really love rotisserie chicken in chicken salad. So I'm just going to cut up all of this rotisserie chicken from these 2 chickens, and I'm just gonna kind of have it in chunks now, but so I shredded it up, got into some smaller pieces. Now I'm going to use I have some diced up celery. I have half a cup of dried cranberries, which is my favorite in this. I have a cup of mayonnaise, which is going to make this really nice and creamy. And I have a teaspoon of dill seasoning. I love that you can make this ahead of time. You can make it even the night before, like I am doing, to have everything prepped and ready to go for our party tomorrow. So you can make this ahead of time and it just stays really, really delicious. So I love this big batch, and I'm going to serve it on croissant rolls. You can serve it on any kind of bread that you like. You can serve it over a green salad with some crackers if you would like. So many different options for chicken salad. It's so refreshing in the summertime. So I absolutely love it, and it's so, so easy also. So I'm going to be doing a side broccoli salad. This is just a classic broccoli salad, and I love it. So I have a cup of mayonnaise. I have half of a diced up red onion. I have half a cup of sunflower seeds, gives us an awesome little crunch. I have some dried cranberries in this one as well. I have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and I have some cooked bacon. You can use any kind of cooked bacon. You can do bacon crumbles if you would like. I'm just going to cut this bacon up with my scissors. You can chop it up with a knife, whichever is easiest for you. I'm just going to cut the bacon into some smaller pieces and add to this. So I'm going to give this a good mix, and I really do like making broccoli salad the day before, so it gives this mayonnaise a bit of time to soak into the broccoli and make it not so crunchy. So really the day before is a perfect time to make this for your party or function, and it is so delicious. I absolutely love broccoli salad. So I'm going to do a macaroni salad. So this is a classic macaroni salad. This is my version of a classic macaroni salad. There's so many different ways you can do it. Well, this is my favorite. I'm going to cook up these macaroni noodles. Now they're nice and cooled off a bit. I'm adding in a cup of mayonnaise. Going to make this nice and creamy and delicious as well. So get all that mayonnaise out of there. We're going to use a cup of that. I have some pickles that I have chopped up into some small pieces, half a cup. I have some chopped up black olives. I have half of a red onion chopped up. I have a small jar of diced pimentos. Love this. I have some salt that I'm going to add in. I'm going to add in some pepper as well. So you can add in your salt and pepper to taste. I like to do about a teaspoon. And sometimes you can taste your salad after it's all mixed together and see if you need to add any additional salt and pepper as well. So I'm going to give this a good mix, and now I'm going to add in some hard-boiled eggs. And I absolutely love hard-boiled eggs, and I just think they go so great in macaroni salad. So definitely one of my favorites. So I'm just going to chop this up into some small pieces. It'll break up into some smaller pieces as well as I stir this around, but just going to kind of chop it up. I'm using 2 eggs, but you can do 2 to 3 eggs if you would like, hard-boiled. So I'm going to give this a good mix, and this salad is going to be ready to go for the party. Everything's super easy. So here we are all set up with the sandwich bar. I got the chicken salad there. I've got all the different breads, croissants. We're going to do a green salad. There's the macaroni salad, the broccoli salad. Of course, we have to have watermelon, and then all the fixings for the sandwiches. We got the peanut butter and jelly over here for the kids. Can't have a party without that with little ones. So Awesome spread. Everything was make ahead and really, really easy. Thanks so much for being here for today's video. Make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope you're having a really great summer, and I will see you all in my next video.